Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use Airtable to plan your major home appliance purchase in 2025. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to create a new base in Airtable. Think of this as your master document where you'll organize all your appliance research and purchase plans. The reason we do this is to have a central place where you can track all related information. Now that we've done that, you'll start adding tables to your base. Each table represents a category of appliances you're planning to purchase: refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, etc. This helps us because it allows for easy categorization and filtering of appliances based on your needs. Next up, for each table, we're going to add fields. Fields represent the criteria you'll use to evaluate each appliance: price, energy efficiency, warranty, brand, and so on. This is critical because it allows you to compare and contrast different appliances based on your specific requirements. Once your fields are set up, it's time to start adding records to each table. Each record represents a specific appliance model you're considering. You'll fill in the details for each field, like the price, warranty, etc. The reason we do this is to have a comprehensive overview of the appliances you're considering. Also, don't forget to use Airtable's attachments feature to add product images or links to each record. This helps us because it provides a visual reference and quick access to more information about each appliance. Now, let me explain why this matters. With all your information in one place, it's easy to filter and sort your tables to narrow down your choices. For example, you could filter for appliances within a certain price range, or sort by energy efficiency. And here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add more appliances and their details, you're creating a powerful comparison tool that can help you make informed purchase decisions. Lastly, share your base with anyone else involved in the purchase decision. This allows for collaborative decision-making and ensures everyone is on the same page. And that's it. You've now got a powerful tool at your fingertips, ready to help you plan your major home appliance purchase in 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy planning.